started RayAccess in 2011 because I saw a huge need for professional exterior maintenance services, especially for multi-story buildings. Many of those buildings were underserved because they had unique architecture or certain challenges in accessing their exterior. Our unique expertise in various access techniques, including rope access, suspended platforms, fall protection equipment, boom lifts, or extension devices, enable us to complete tasks safely and efficiently, virtually at any part at any building. Most of our clients see us as a one-stop solution for their exterior building maintenance, whether it's window cleaning, facade washing, visual inspections, leaks repairs, or any other repair or maintenance work at height.
The mission of RayAccess is to keep building exterior clean and healthy conditions, with our main focus on safety, quality, and efficiency. We service residential and commercial buildings that require special access techniques to maintain their exterior and interior. Some of our clients are hospitals, multi-unit residentials, office buildings, stadiums, and even museums, amongst many more. Our clients become great references because they appreciate the quality of our work, the speed, and the level of project management and coordination.
Safety is our highest priority. At every job site, we go through and do a pre-job safety meeting with everybody on the crew to identify and mitigate all the hazards that may be present. All of our rope access technicians are trained and certified for the safe use of rope access techniques and equipment.
I'm very passionate about being a part of the RayAccess team. On the last project that we were on, a customer actually left a note inside one of the windows that said how grateful they were. The windows hadn't been cleaned for years. They were so dirty. It's in moments like those where I feel like the work we do actually matters for the people who live and work in those buildings.